Say hello. Never say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
But nice to see you. But something wrong. But first we need to do today. We must hold on a second.
Okay.
We can make before.
我放那个牛排了，这个。
We can make. Daddy, be quiet, okay? Because this is the puppet show. It's the show one. Quiet, okay? Let the kids will make with popcorns, okay? Yeah, this is for the sleeping time. Later we can sleep. Hold on a second. I got a pillow. Hold on a second. Okay, this one. Come on, I'll let you put this one down. Now sleep. Sleep now. It's not time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
The show already finished already. Bye bye.
Bye bye.